How to make two Facebook accounts in one phone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application, and then the next thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you'll see six different options there. Click on menu. Now after that, scroll all the way down up until you see log out. Click on log out and confirm that you want to log out. Now after that, as you can see, I already have more than two Facebook accounts. Now to do that is what you're gonna do is you will have to click on log into another account. If you already have a an old account, if you own another account, then you can log into another account, and basically it will be added here to the list. Now if you still don't have another account, tap on create new account here, and then all you have to do is to tap on get started and basically fill out those information in creating a new Facebook account. And after that, it will actually it will be then added here to your Facebook list of accounts. And basically that is it. That is how you make two Facebook accounts in one phone. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.